So in our last market update, I mentioned that Kingston, Oklahoma has an unbelievable 9 months of inventory. Now, if you don't follow real estate, this is the equivalent of a blinking red light on your dashboard. You definitely want to pull over and check it out. To put it into perspective, the neighboring markets of Durant and Madill, Oklahoma are hovering just above and just below the 4 months of inventory range. Now, those numbers are more like what we call a balanced market. So I've done the research, and in this video, we'll discuss the data to see what it means for this peaceful little lake town. And stay tuned until the end for some personal insight from a realtor that has worked this market for near 14 years now. I don't want you leaving here thinking it's all dark skies and dramatic music. First off, we have more homes hitting the market than we have buyers ready to scoop them up. Kingston has a unique market near Lake Texoma. It's a lake town. So the homes here, they're mostly second homes, vacation properties, and lake getaways. In the last couple of years, the number of listings has surged. The buyer demand hasn't kept up. And why is that? Well, interest rates went up for one, so affordability has tightened. Inflation concerns and tighter budgets have hit vacation and second home buyers harder than it's hit the primary home markets. And let's be honest, those weekenders from DFW or OKC, they're a little less eager to snag a second home at 7% interest. And the results? Homes are sitting longer and the inventory continues to grow month after month without enough turnover. And now let's talk pricing. And this is where it should get fun. Lake properties often come with a little something extra: emotions. Sellers will often price their homes like they're listing a lifetime full of memories, not real estate. Now, hey, don't shoot the messenger. This is true. Sellers think their lake homes are worth more than the market data supports. And I get it. That dock, summer barbecues, all that time you spent teaching little Johnny how to fish, it's priceless. The problem is, buyers don't see your 4th of July cookout. They see a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 20-year-old roof and a price tag that's $50,000 over comparable sales. And when homes are overpriced, they sit. And when they sit, they stack up. And when they stack up, you get 9 months of inventory. And it's a slow spiral, but Kingston is in it. Now, if you're wondering what your home is really worth in today's market, I've got you covered. I offer a free, no-pressure market evaluation to help you price your home right the first time. Click the link in the comments to schedule your free consultation call today. Let's make sure you're not one of those listings that just stack up. And now let's look into the local buyer pool. Kingston does not have a large enough year-round population base to absorb this excess inventory. Unlike the neighboring city of Durant, Oklahoma that has a consistent job-based movement and full-time residents, Kingston relies heavily on out-of-town buyers, weekenders, or investors. And the Kingston market literally runs on second home energy. And if that buyer base pulls back due to market uncertainty or higher interest rates, the listings stack up fast. Kingston simply doesn't have a big enough local crowd to keep that market moving forward. Fewer full-time buyers equals a slower turnover rate. So here's another layer that many people don't want to admit. Folks who bought lake homes during the pandemic rush, they're now realizing they don't use them as much as they thought they would. And life is busy. Kids' sports schedules and other school activities, they never quit. And now folks are choosing to sell. And here's some not so fun reality. As of January 31st, the median list price in Kingston, Oklahoma hit $408,000. But the median sales price? Just $205,000. Now, that's a $200,000 reality check. And the average days on the market for this price range is 96 to 100 days. And the lack of urgency among buyers has created a slowdown in the absorption rate, inflating our months of inventory. So yeah, homes are sitting. We got a top-heavy market with more supply than demand, and it's showing. Now, I've worked this market my entire career, so I've saved this bit for last because I understand the true nature of it. Kingston is a seasonal market. Most lake homes are going to sell between spring and early fall, so if you're checking inventory numbers between late winter or early spring, as I did in our previous market video, they're going to reflect our slowest selling season. Inventory could still correct itself once buyers re-enter the market. In fact, as of the filming date of this video, Kingston's inventory level has dropped to 8.6 months of inventory. And that's after spring break. So part of that 9-month stat is just timing. But the other part, that's real. Buyers are cautious, listings are abundant, and prices need to start matching the moment. Well, if you've stuck around until now to hear my take, I appreciate it, and I'll keep it brief. Though everything we've discussed about the Kingston, Lake Texoma real estate market is true, I don't want anybody leaving here thinking there's trouble. The bottom line is this: Kingston isn't crashing, It's correcting. This market is niche, and sellers have to have strategy because buyers have leverage. We're in a market where realistic pricing and smart marketing win. Hey, if you're a buyer, this is your window. Well, that's your Kingston market breakdown. Whether you're buying, selling, or just late curious, I got you covered city by city. Stick around for the next market update. And if you're ready to make a move, let's talk.